The 2021 Road Glide Special. This particular motorcycle was custom designed at Los Angeles Harley-Davidson. The devil is in the details, and I love the combination of black, machine finish, and chrome controls that give this bike a really simple yet stunning look. 12-inch kickback Kraus risers combined with moto handlebars give this motorcycle a more nimble feel when it comes to handling. The team at Los Angeles Harley-Davidson also swapped out the stock suspension for a set of Racetechs for the front forks and the rear. And the saddleman seat will keep you locked in through the corners. This will be my first time test riding a Road Glide Special. Will I fall in love? Let's gear up and find out. Woo! This feels really dope. For a motorcycle that weighs 850 pounds, the Road Glide Special is actually very nimble. I'm 5'9" and I could easily flat foot this motorcycle. And the seat height of 25.9 inches is actually lower than the seat height of my Lowrider S on a soft shell frame. Aftermarket risers, like these Kraus 12-inch risers, combined with the motobar can dramatically improve the handling of a big motorcycle like this by giving you more leverage. Customizing your handlebars is a very effective way to get the ergonomic, tailored fit that will keep you riding your motorcycle a lot more. That Racetech suspension. We'll see. Gotta go over some bumps. But so far feels very responsive. Green light. To my surprise, the Road Glide Special has more ground clearance than the Lowrider S. 5.1 inches compared to 4.7 inches. This helps translate into more lean angle on the Road Glide Special, so it's not a surprise why this bike feels like it handles so well. Showing that we only have 23 miles remaining. Probably go drop like 10 bucks in the gas tank. Yeah, this is super awesome though. The bike's got a nice little rumble to it. So if you're wondering if it's got that Harley shake, it's got a little bit. The Road Glide Special is powered by the Milwaukee 8 114, and on this motorcycle we're running stock pipes, so what you're hearing is what this motorcycle would sound like straight out the dealership. Feel like you're just floating on this, and feels very nimble, pretty much as nimble as my Lowrider S. Let's see, I'm just using the rear brake. Rear brake's pretty good, and I would love to take this through some twisties. The nearest twisties is a little far. Just came back from Lake Tahoe, and this would have been a great motorcycle to take to Lake Tahoe.
But I can't stress enough how much having the right set of bars will make in your ride. It just feels very easy to ride, and everything is just like butter. I see a chevron. Get some gas in here. I know they try to leave me with the empty tank so I don't take it too far, but shoot, I'll pay for some gas. Oh, suspension is a little stiff, but you know, it's what you want when you're gearing for performance. Let's go ahead, get some gas. So far, guys, loving it. Very comfortable, very easy to ride. Wonder if they'll notice if I take it to Vegas. Alright guys, freedom is a full tank. Let's get back to business. Ooh, and that's stock, baby. Alright, so who's the Road Glide for? I would definitely recommend this motorcycle to someone who really sees motorcycling being a part of your daily life. Like you commute, or you don't own a car, you just ride. You know, maybe you don't plan on driving a car, you just want a motorcycle that can do it all, then, you know, Road Glide is definitely going to be one of the top choices. And I mean, what I like about it is that it's like not difficult to ride. It's a full touring bike. You got the larger gas tank, so if you're planning on those road trips, you're definitely going to have the capacity as well as the luggage capacity right off the bat. You got the wind protection with this beautiful fairing. You got the navigation, infotainment system, all that stuff ready to go.
Riding this custom Road Glide has given me a new appreciation for baggers. I can see why many Harley riders end up trading in their Softails, Dynas, and Sportsters for a bagger. Once you start riding a lot, you realize how important comfort becomes, especially when you're doing those 500-mile to 1,000-mile day trips. In my opinion, if you're not planning on riding a lot, you know, you're just doing a little bit of city riding and the occasional weekend getaway ride, I would still recommend something like a Softail or a Sportster. But if you're a serious rider and you see yourself riding every day, taking road trips, I would seriously consider moving straight into a touring motorcycle as opposed to getting a Softail and later trading it in.
So I'd love to take this bike on the highway, but I don't want to put too many miles on this brand new baby. It's going to be someone's nice motorcycle in the future. But it is very smooth. I have no doubt this thing would just eat up the highway. But I finally got to ride my first Road Glide, and I hooked up one at that. If I were to get a Road Glide, I would definitely do something similar to this setup. Whew. That was a lot of fun, guys. So yeah, let me know what name you guys think is fitting for this motorcycle. This is my baby right here. But thank you guys for joining in. That was an awesome test ride. In future videos, we're definitely going to have to do the Street Glide versus Road Glide debate. And yeah, it's going to come down to the setup and the handlebars. But I'd like to try both the Street Glide and the Road Glide stock just to see if there is any difference. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, LA Harley, for letting me test ride this Road Glide. And if you guys want to come check it out, just roll over here to LA Harley-Davidson, and I'm sure they'll let you go on a little test ride. But until next time, guys, I'll catch you later. And don't forget to ride safe out there. Peace.